We're here today to talk about keywords. Keywords like and what?
What are you doing?
Talk about keywords. You know, like
Stop.
What?
You can't say these.
Yes, you can. You can say.
Okay, no.
Well,
Okay,
no,
stop.
what?
From the top.
There are different kinds of keywords you should know about, and today I'm going to discuss head and long tail keywords, as well as commercial, transactional, informational, and navigational keywords. Sounds like fun, right? Right. Head and long tail. Keywords can be divided into two main groups, depending on how often users search for them. The most common search terms are called head keywords. They might be popular, but also most of these queries are very general, so it's much harder to achieve high positions in the search results for them. The second group is long tail keywords. They are specific and usually longer than head keywords. Long tail keywords should be the main part of a keyword research strategy. They are not as popular as head keyword, but if you put them all together, they take up about 70% of all searches around the internet and most of the overall search volume. Users that search for chair, a head keyword, for example, are probably just browsing. A person that searches for dining room white chair, a long tail keyword, is probably browsing too, but with their wallet basically wide open. See the difference? Now let's take a look at how we divide up keywords by their purpose. Commercial. This type of keyword is directly connected to your niche. You want to use as many of the most popular and commercial-worthy keywords as you can, but it is more important to remember that you want to stick to keywords that are directly connected to your niche, commercial keywords. For example, if you own a website that only sells chairs, you don't want to rank for tables because they have 4 legs too. They're not chairs, so them. Transactional. These keywords are perfect for pages like product listings because they use terms like buy, for sale, purchase, and so on. But here you'll also find more specific phrases like black leather chair. When users are searching for these phrases, you can say that they already have all the information they need. They know what they want, and they are determined to make a purchase. But what if they're still looking for some information before buying your product? Informational. You can find a lot of keywords with great search volume, but they might not bring your site and your wallet many conversions. Why? Because when users are searching for these phrases, they are often searching for information, such as making sure that they want to buy this particular product, reading reviews, or comparing it with other products. These phrases are often in the form of a question, using words like how, what, or why. As I said, the informational keywords might not bring you the most conversions, but why not use the most popular for some articles? They are perfect for that, and it will help the overall visibility of your site as well as your brand. Navigational. The name might sound a little confusing, but this one is the simplest of them all. This type of keyword refers directly to your brand. That's it. When users are typing the name of your brand into the search bar, that means that they are already familiar with it and they're performing a navigational search to get to the right address. Phew, I don't know about you, but I'm keyworded out. To find out more about this subject and a variety of others, check out OneLeaf's blog.